In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use scrolls in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Arcane Lineage has a turn-based fighting system, and skills are going to be the different abilities that you use in combat. You will be able to learn them by just leveling up your classes and also through scrolls. So, some skills learned from scrolls are going to be class exclusive, and for you to actually get the scrolls, all that you have to do is either kill random mobs, so you will be able to get them as random drops, and consume them. So open your inventory and you will be able to use them inside of your player items. And when you use the scroll, you will learn the corresponding ability. It is going to unlock the skill listed in the description. Like I mentioned, they are occasionally dropped by enemies. And some of the skills are going to be exclusive to some classes. So all that you have to do is kill enemies, and randomly you will be able to get these scrolls. Sadly, I cannot find a comprehensive drop list anywhere on the wiki or in any sort of video, so essentially you just have to get lucky, and once you get a scroll, you will be able to use it by equipping the item and then recording the skill. You will learn the ability immediately, and you will be able to use it the next time you go into battle, as long as your class can learn it. You can also get lost scrolls, which are different, higher quality and higher power abilities, and sometimes they can be purchased from specific NPCs, like the Mysterious Merchant, for around 250 gold. Once you acquire any of the scrolls, you just have to equip them and use them as you would with any other item. You will learn the corresponding ability either through the scroll skills, as you can see on screen, or the lost scroll skills, which are a different type of scroll that you can acquire as drops. I hope I was able to help you on how to use scrolls in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.